Happy Tuesday, August 3, 2021, and it's Organic Worm Castings by Soto giving you an update. It's 4 days since their last feeding, except on this feeding we're going to do something new, and I thought I'd take you along from the time I started the worm bin through the process, and in the end you can see for yourself how my worms and worm castings are made, how long it takes, what they're fed, and what the worm bin looks like inside. That's my goal. That's why I'm taking you along on this worm bin. I have 4 worm bins, and I'm just going to show you the process on this worm bin. So here we have the last of their food, which equates to 3 cups. And over here in the blender we have some watermelon, some bananas, some lettuce, and a little bit of apple. And I'm going to grind all this up for them, make a nice slurry. And then I have over here in this container some more bedding and carbon. So I've gone ahead and wet the cardboard, and you can see already it's starting to dry, but that's okay. It's 106 here in Southern California on the outside, and 86 here in the garage. So there they are, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, it's actually Wednesday, August 4th, 2021, and as you can see it's 102 the temperature. It's just turned 12 noon today, and what I want to do is I want to show you what's in the worm bin, because yesterday I didn't get to show you the food being poured into the bin. I actually did something a little different. Well, I took that cardboard that I showed you, and because it's a 3-layer cardboard, I opened it up, and with each layer that I put down, like for example this was the first layer on top of the actual worm bin, and as you can see, how could they all hide? How are they able to hide this way? But anyway, I put the first layer down, and put some of the food on there, and then I put the next layer down, put the food on there, and then this is the last layer. And when it starts to get dry, I'll go ahead and just douse some water on here. It's going to take a couple of weeks for them to start to take care of all of this, but I will record when the time comes to show you what the surface looks like after a few days or weeks, whatever it takes. But here they are. Really just enjoying their meal. Anyway, have yourself a blessed Wednesday, and remember, black gold is the way to go. Organic Worm Casting signing off for now. Bye.